Welcome to Kara's Kitchen. We're about to do the meal reveal. Can I have the sign, please? Oh, me. My name is Kara, and I might actually be the worst cook in the world.
Wild child.
It drives my older sister crazy because she actually is a good cook. So, I decided to torture her by attempting to make meals that she plans. I don't know anything about the dish until she reveals it to me right before I'm about to start cooking. She isn't supposed to help me, and I get no recipe and no instructions. So, sometimes I have to call for backup. Welcome to Kara's Kitchen. I know there's mushrooms. And most important ingredient. Feels like butter is a good idea. Oh, not cold butter. Okay, got butter. What the is a risotto? I don't even know. I used to think it was rice, and I know it's not. Well, that's the only cupboard I know for ricey shit. Arborio. That sounds like a man you date on vacation. Converted rice. What? Converted to what? I'm gonna go with vacation man. Maybe some oil? Mushroom arborio. I have no idea. Let's add some vegetables. Chives, tomatoes, parsley, Italian. This sounds Italian. Chicken broth. Egg for something? Zucchini? Okay. Why 2 kinds of chicken broth? Is this the trick? You gotta eat this, so I... Okay. Drink, cook.
Goes in every meal.
Salt and pepper?
You're not going to be able to do this by yourself.
Found something. No, that doesn't seem right. Capers. I guess I need more flavor. What's going on in here? Beef stock. Time?
Oh.
Time for spice. Nutmeg.
No.
Basil, oregano. Sage?
No. Get out of the spice drawer now.
Well, the time is it? That's all?
You know what? There are fresh ones somewhere in the kitchen.
Let's try this. I don't know what to do with that.
You're missing one ingredient, which is pretty important.
Some kind of protein? I mean, I don't have to cook meat.
No. What is an Italian cheese?
Parmesan. Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, I think I probably need a pot. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This?
Okay. Get another pan/pot.
Okay. Oh! Cutting board.
Nope.
Fancy one. You know what I need? So, folks, you want to drink a really dry wine when you're going to make a really dry meal. It's just guaranteed to turn out that way. So, dry wine for dry or barrio. These are later problems. I just don't understand this guy. Go faster. Get warm. I haven't made rice in about, what year is it?
You're not making rice, you're making risotto.
Well, but is the water to grain not the same ratio? No? Oh, I can wash my hands. It's a mushroom risotto, so what's that? I like earthy things. What's that taste I have? Not, what is it?
Umami.
Unagi.
Not unagi.
Come back. Knifey, knifey.
That seems right. Yeah!
While you're working on them, what you could do,
Drink?
preheat your pan that you're going to cook them in.
Medium seems safe. I am going to get these all cooked, and then you just put them in the other pot.
Do you think mushroom risotto is mushrooms? Did you really?
No, not yet. You don't wash your mushrooms because they add a umami flavor. No need to dirty up. Flippy. Oh, yeah. Okay, so for these, you cut your tail off. Is this an onion?
It's called a shallot.
Oh, this shell make me cry. Starting. Does Mom have one of those,
You don't do that with onion.
no, this one.
Okay, can you take your sauce gonna burn?
My sock. Sauce?
Stock.
Oh, yeah, it's boiling. Smells good.
Not.
What's wrong with that? This? Choppy choppy. Oh, my eyes. Ugh. Okay, you're gonna have to give me some kind of a ratio or something. Because if it was up to me, I would just dump this in the pot.
Goes in the pan that you're using now to fry the mushrooms.
What's the point of that then?
Well, I'll have to tell you. I can't believe you're actually making this photo.
Why do these chefs, like, how boring? Like, do they just tell stories? Ooh, like, when you stir the mushrooms, you want to go counterclockwise.
Okay, every chef in the world's gonna kill you.
Well, like, I don't understand how this is entertaining. It's important to clean up while you cook. Still mushrooms. Ow.
I wonder why it's hot.
Butter makes it taste good.
Yeah.
This has to happen at some point.
What's behind your rice?
Onion. And for you to go to the bath.
No!
What? Oh, God. Rippy! Excuse me. Oh, the door's open. Come back. Sorry, buddy. I'm not allowed. Where's the thingy? Oh! Crunchy, crunchy. Yeah. Okay, that's all you get?
You didn't use it properly. Did you take out the other one first before you put the new one in?
No, because I thought the new one would push the old one through. I wanted a little extra. Stirry, stirry. I'm getting rid of this. I don't care anymore. Okay, now I'm gonna dump some chicken broth in there.
Not quite yet.
Now I'm gonna dump some Mr. Arbario in there. Mr. Arbario. 2 people? Good for your heart.
Okay.
What's happening? You said it goes on everything. Oh. Hope Mom's excited for dinner. It sounds like rocks. That doesn't seem counterclockwise.
Are you trying to be Gordon Ramsay? I think that's what you're channeling.
Oh, that's what's happening. Channeling. Okay. I think I'm gonna add these mushrooms back in so they can. Well, they're gonna get cold.
Keep going.
There's nothing left to do. Yeah. Now, when you're cooking for 2 people, you add just enough to get them a little bit drunk. So, like, are we making? Is this like a miso soup that we're making to start? It's really watery.
Turn it up. I'm not like that. Okay, now I'm gonna give you this hint because otherwise we'll be here all day and you'll burn everything. You need a ladle.
Ladle. I know what that is.
Check the temperature on the broth. Okay. And have batter.
I know they go together. That's not going to soak up all of that. So we're having soup. Mr. Barrio's going for a swim. This looks disgusting. I can't. I used to buy this canned soup in university that was like $1.25. Chicken and rice. That's what this looks like. I look like a lunch lady. Like, Parmesan. What? How much is that? For this little doohickey.
Yeah.
Some options. Big, bigger, tiny, tinier. Getting thicker.
And don't turn it down that far.
Stop telling me what to do.
I know. It's too hard for me.
That's what she said. Refill? Garçon? Cheesy, cheesy. You tap the cheese and put it close to your ear to find out. This seems weird and hard. Oh, cheese.
Yeah,
I didn't get it.
No!
Well, it needs more liquid.
Okay, I'm gonna let you do what you think.
There's one piece. I don't want to anymore.
I don't care. It's not a choice. Oh my gosh.
Everyone relax. Mr. Barbario has gained a little weight on vacation.
Oh, I think.
Get this over with. Oh, perfect square. Stirry, stirry, stirry. Hey, Mom. Do you like risotto? Good. Okay, so if I don't really understand. I thought this was pasta.
It's not.
Well, what is it?
It's arborio rice. It's a form of rice, but it's
So
starchy.
I was right. Who corrected me years ago and told me it was pasta? I'm walking around thinking risotto was some kind of pasta. I don't actually know what the point of chives is.
Oh my god.
Just gonna make little parsley flowers.
You're not done cooking that, by the way.
This?
Yeah. No. The other side.
But this is too much.
No, it's not. No. Okay,
Well,
enough.
how do you get this over with? Ew. That's disgusting. So these just stay cold then.
You're so concerned with the cold mushroom. Is it getting there?
Yeah, it's probably done.
Oh, you think so?
No, I have no idea.
So now, if you think it's done,
Put the mushrooms back.
you were supposed to reserve some for the topping, but that's
Topic. They are top. Man, I can open a restaurant. I'm opening a restaurant called Mr. Arborio.
just all risotto every day, all day. And what does Parmesan do when you put it into something?
Melt.
Also, what else is it gonna do?
Stick.
So how are you going to alleviate that?
Oil.
Or
Butter. But it's already gooey. Butter just makes it gooey, no? Chubby, chubby. I think this is gonna be edible. Hey, Mom. You wanna come try this? I made risotto. Wanna try it? Don't give me that face. Get in there. Oh, we have tasting spoons. Oh, but those are little. Mom, you have to actually try more than one grain.
how big are the mushrooms? I know.
It's mushroom risotto. They're supposed to be a feature. Actually, tastes real good.
Does it really? I'm so surprised.
Rice is okay cooked.
No, I knew it.
It's not rice, it's risotto.
It turned out. I'm shocked.
Mom, you get a couple of treats?
Wild style, fire starter.